say it. Consumers Energy has been very busy these last few days, obviously preparing and responding to this weather situation we just mentioned. Still plenty of outages they're dealing with this morning.
Yeah, but we're also talking about something fun today. They've donated a locomotive to the Friends of the Coopersville and Marne Railway. But first, we're going to address those outages quickly. We've got Josh Bashorek here with the latest on those restoration efforts. Josh, you've been so busy. We appreciate you being here with us.
Yeah, good morning. Thanks for having me here.
And thank you for letting me live in a bubble. Yeah. Because I must be in one of those magic houses that whenever Consumers Energy has outages around the neighborhood, for some reason my house is always good. So I have no idea how I lucked out like that. But there are many not in that situation.
Yeah, we're waking up this morning. Yesterday's storms, the heavy ice, the winds that we're seeing today. There's about 215,000 customers that lost power. We've restored about 20,000 overnight so far, but obviously we have still a long ways to go. We have been watching this storm for the past several days, getting our trucks and crews ready, staged in the areas where we expected the weather to hit the hardest. So we're ready to go. We're just evaluating the damage right now, and we'll be out there, all hands on deck for the next couple of days.
Well, we just appreciate you and all of the crews out there working tirelessly to get the lights back on for those who still may be in the dark this morning. But let's talk about something a little more fun. We'll talk about this locomotive. Tell me the backstory about this.
Yeah, so we have this locomotive that used to serve our Campbell coal plant over on the west side in West Olive. And this locomotive helped pull millions of pounds of coal at one point. Well, as we get ready to close that coal plant and go completely coal-free in 2025, we have some of these additional assets that we could, we don't need anymore.
Yeah.
And so the Friends of Coopersville and Marne Railway, they're a wonderful local nonprofit who preserve these historic locomotives, reached out, and we got to talking with them, and we were excited to be able to donate it.
It looks like, well, first off, do you have any more of these? I mean,
Oh, you want one?
Because, yeah. Who wouldn't want a locomotive?
There are other opportunities that we're exploring at the plant.
There had to have been more than one locomotive pulling coal for you guys.
Yeah,
in my backyard. When it comes to this locomotive, is this going to be used at Cooper and Marne? Is this going to be taking people for rides?
It is. We're very excited to see it, taking on this new chapter of its life with the Friends of Coopersville and Marne Railway. They provide these, they do some freight work, and then they also do passenger rides. If you haven't been, it's a wonderful local nonprofit to go visit, and you'll be able to see this train up close at the Friends of Coopersville and Marne.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
And interesting in just how much it did. And this is just one step of you guys going coal-free. And talk kind of about the bigger picture of the clean energy movement from consumers.
Yeah, absolutely. So last year we were really excited. Our plan, we call it our clean energy plan, to go coal-free. Will be one of the first energy companies in the country to be completely coal-free, got all the final approval. And so the plant in West Olive will be the last coal plant that we close in 2025. And again, it's all about trying to do our part and what we can do to help better protect the environment, better protect Michigan's wonderful natural resources, so that they can be enjoyed for generations to come. And so we'll be moving toward a cleaner energy future with this plan, and we're really excited about it.
And not to bring it back to the negative, but for people who are out of power this morning, is there a place they can go to kind of give them an estimate so they know what the schedule is going to be, when they can expect that fridge to start working again?
Yeah, I'm glad you asked. So consumersenergy.com/outage center. That is where everybody can get the latest updates, the latest information about our power restoration efforts. We're very early still in the storm, and we're closely monitoring the forecast today, where there might be some higher wind gusts that could cause further damage. And so we're cautious when providing estimates about when the power will be back. But again, I just want to let all your viewers know, our teams are, we're all in on trying to get the power back on as quick as possible.
That website will be a valuable resource.
Absolutely, Josh. We really appreciate your time. Thank you so much for being here. And
Thank
hopefully people can get out and see this locomotive and get a ride. Yeah. And of course, there you go, consumersenergy.com if you want any information about outages, things like that, and the phone number right there on your screen. We'll be right back.